from just $219 to over $5,000 in one trading session. Yes, you heard it right. Using my premium AI-driven trading bot specifically designed for 1-minute trades on pocket option, I am about to show you how exactly it's done. Stick around, this is not just a showcase, it's a masterpiece in options trading. Hey there traders, welcome back to another exciting live trading session. Today I'm demonstrating how my AI powered trading bot built an advanced algorithm is taking options trading to the next level. This isn't just automatic, it's a fully loaded strategy that combines real-time market analysis, advanced technical indicators, and rapid decision making within milliseconds. So let's dive in and watch it in action. And here's a trade running right now. Notice how the bot has entered a put trade. Well, it identified a powerful continuation, a combination of RSI showing overbought conditions on a bearish candlestick pattern near the upper Bollinger Band. The AI processed this data instantly and executed the trade at the perfect momentum. This is what makes the 1-minute prime frame so exciting. Every second matter and precision is key. Let me break it down for you. In options trading, success is all about predicting whether the price of an asset will go up or down within a specific time frame. Here's a tool you need to know: RSI, the relative strength index, tells you what an asset is overbought or oversold, signaling potential reversals. Then we come to Bollinger Bands. These show how market volatility and highlight price reversals zones, and then come to support and resistance. These are key price levels where the market trends to bounce or reverse. Now here's the magic. My bot combines all these insights in real time, making smarter and faster decisions than any human can. It's like having a professional trader working for you 24/7. And there it is, another profitable trade closing out, adding more to our balance. Just look this, starting with $290, we are already climbing past 5,000s, and the session isn't even over yet. This is the power of combining AI with a solid trading strategy. So, if you are ready to take your trading game to the next level, my AI bot isn't the tool you have been waiting for. It's not just about making trades, it's about making smarter, profitable trades backed by AI advanced data and proven strategies. Don't forget to subscribe for more live sessions, tutorials, and market insights. Together, we will make 2025 your most profitable year.